Developing tonight, in just the last couple of hours, Minnesota House Democrats passed a bill that would guarantee abortion access in the state.
Fox 9's Corin Hoggart is at the state capitol tonight with a look at the 4-hour debate that happened before the vote. Corin?
Yeah, that bill passed along party lines with just one Democrat voting no, but not before they spent hours passionately arguing for and against it. Minnesota's abortion access bill garnered a visit from Health and Human Services Secretary Javier Becerra and a series of interruptions by protesters.
Members of the gallery may not disrupt the proceedings.
It also coaxed very personal stories from members, including Ramsey Democrat Athena Hollins, who learned late in life that she wasn't the first in her family to have an abortion.
I refused to keep my abortion a secret for 30+ years. My daughter deserves to know that I will be there for her if she needs to make the same difficult decision.
Several Republicans gave graphic descriptions of abortions at or after 21 weeks, which represent about 1% of all abortions in the U.S., according to the CDC. The bill's opponents called it extreme, in part because it doesn't set limits on when an abortion can happen.
We do not want the title of the most extreme state on abortion laws.
What is actually extreme is that anyone in this room, myself included, should have any say in when Minnesotans choose to start a family, when they make difficult, hard decisions with their families.
And now that bill will head to the state Senate, where Democrats hold just a one-member majority, and they have not yet committed to a schedule for debate. Corin Hoggart, Fox 9.
All right, Corin, thank you. Back to the very beginning of what led to the fight over abortion rights in Minnesota and, frankly, for all over the country, the Supreme Court leak.
The High Court saying after an investigation, though, they have not found who was responsible for leaking the draft opinion last May. 97 employees swore under oath that they did not disclose a draft of the opinion that overturned Roe v. Wade. The 8-month investigation did reveal shortcomings on how sensitive documents are secured. The court says the investigation is not over yet. A few inquiries and the analysis of some electronic data remain.
A same